My favorite Novak Djokovic won the 19th Grand Slam title of his career at the French Open. He made the headlines all over the world, but the world #1 Serb won hearts with his post-match gesture. Djokovic gifted away his racket to a young boy in the stands who, according to the champion, was constant source of support and guidance during his final at the Roland Garros.
For most, just to be present at Roland Garros to witness Novak Djokovic play in the final would be a memory of their lifetime. Imagine what would it mean to someone if he leaves the arena with a racket from Djokovic. After his 19th Grand Slam title, Djokovic walked up to a kid and gifted the very racket which fetched him his second French Open title. The boy was obviously over the moon and his celebrations were more emphatic than even Djokovic. But when it comes to getting something from the best, one has to earn it, and the young boy did his best to return home with that souvenir.
Well, I don't know the boy, but he was in my ear the entire match, basically. Especially when I was 2 sets to love down, he was encouraging me. He was actually giving me tactics as well. He was like, hold your serve, get an easy first ball, and then dictate, go to his backhand. Like, he was coaching me, literally. And so I found that very, very cute and very nice. And so, you know, I felt like it was you know, to give the racket to the best person was him after the match. So that was kind of my gratitude for him sticking with me and supporting me.
Certainly, the world #1 Serb is a people's champ and knows how to entertain his fans, both on and off the court. Sports Bureau, India Today.